Good morning all. Sorry, a bit of a wide shot that. I feel like I'm really far away. So today we are having a little bit of a play around down the unit. I've got some things to show you as well. I've got Jamie's Fiesta on the back. Ah, I'm losing you. Picked up Jamie's Fiesta and he's on his way down. He's just stopped at his mum's for a coffee. But we're going to be doing a bit of welding on his Fiesta today, on his front panel and stuff like that. I've bought another transit chassis cab that I'll show you, and I'm going to be swapping the bed off of this recovery truck onto that one, all being well, and other little bits and bobs. So yeah, nothing too exciting. Let's just crack on. Now that was a terrible intro. Let me try that again. So today we are down the unit. This is what I meant about my new transit. I bought this chassis cab off of eBay. It's really clean, and it's obviously my favourite because it's a 2.3 petrol. Needs a few little bits putting back on, like bumper bolting on properly and stuff, but it's actually really tidy chassis. Like no rot on any of the corners or anything like that. It's a long wheelbase. It looks short like this, but they always look short when they haven't got a bed on them, but you can see that's a long wheelbase and it's the same length as that. That's another one of mine as well. So the plan is I'm going to take the recovery bed off of that one, and then I'm going to stick it on here, tart this one up a bit, make it all nice and clean, and then I'm going to sell it. I'm going to get rid of this one because I don't need 3 recovery trucks. And then the plan is, I'm still not quite sure, I haven't decided yet in my head, but I think I'm going to get that one painted because I've had that one the longest. I've had that like 10 years now. Like, it's got a little special place in my heart, that one. So yeah, I might get that painted imperial blue to match my van. And then I've got this one again, which is a 2.3 petrol. I've spent an absolute fortune on. Put an engine in it, put a clutch in it, 2 new headlights, it's had front tyres, it's had disc and pads all round, handbrake cables, ABS sensors. The ABS module got sent off and rebuilt, so did the clocks. I've just been fighting it, and it's actually a really good standard. It probably ain't too far off of getting an MOT. It needs a windscreen. The windscreen's cracked. Don't know if you can see it, probably not. So I need to get that sorted. But I was thinking, if I put the bed off of that one on here and sell this, and then the money I get from selling this, I can fund getting that painted. And then once that's painted and mint, I might nick the bed off of this one, because apparently this is quite a nice bed. It looks nicer than the one I've got anyway. And this has got big leaf springs on the back as well. So I'm going to nick the leaf springs too. LPG as well. They're all LPG here. But I don't know. But then I don't know whether to sell this one as it is, and then the sale of that one and that one, put all the money together and get a tilt and slide bed put on that. I don't know, I'm undecided. I change my mind like the weather. But yeah, let's crack on. So it's been a while since I've had like a little walk around and a little play around down this unit. So this is what this video is going to be about. We're just going to be mucking about, building stuff, putting stuff together, having a tidy up and stuff like that. Not sure who's going to show up today, but I know a few people are coming down, so yeah. But this is what I bought. This is one of the things I purchased the other week, and I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet, but it's mine now, so got to do something with it. I bought a dyno. This is a 4-wheel drive dyno dynamics, so it's the same as mine. Obviously you might be able to recognise the cover, but this one's fire damaged. Obviously they were tuning the car on it and it caught fire. And a friend of mine had it on the shelf down his unit, literally on a shelf, and I messaged him and said, what are you doing with it? And he says, oh, I don't really know. He says, we don't know whether to recondition it, we don't know whether to scrap it. He says, we can't make our minds up. So we come to a deal and I ended up buying it. It's all in bits obviously because they dismantle them to take it out of the workshop that it had the accident in. But all the bits are there. The rollers are all piled up down here in the corner. Some of the flanges. I still need to go back over there and pick up the brakes and stuff like that, but I don't think I'm going to have time today. Oh, and I bought this as well. This is absolutely awesome. This is like a game changer bit of kit. This is a 1.5 ton pallet stacker, and it literally goes like, if you put them forks all the way up, they know and touch the ceiling. This was like a couple of £100 for spares and repairs. A mate of mine went and got it, and I literally took the cover off, 2 broken wires, crimped them back together, and it absolutely works like a charm. It's on charge at the minute, and it's so freaking heavy as well. The batteries weigh 250 kilograms, and the unit without the batteries weighs 980, so it's over a ton just sitting there. But then saying that, it needs to be over a ton if it's going to lift a ton and a half. So yeah, I'll show you in a minute. It's really, really cool. Right, let's open the workshop, get my old banger out, and crack on. Yeah. So for those of you who don't remember, this is Jamie.
Hello.
He doesn't work as a mechanic anymore. He's a fireman officer.
Fireman officer.
Squirts water. He's eyeing up my hose.
Not that one.
Nice. So this is Jamie's Fiesta. The front panel rotted out, so he bought another one. And we're going to weld that in today. This is his Fiesta. It's a Mark III Fiesta. It's not a Fiesta Turbo, just Mark III. Zetec turbo running gear. It's got an MTX gearbox in it. It's got some nice bad boy one-piece shafts. It's all done really nice. It is a bit rough. It's got an Evo turbo on it, which is cool, on an adapter plate. It makes like 300 horsepower, something like that it did.
It did, it probably won't now.
Yeah. So it's been off the road for a year because, you know, houses and family and lifestyle just take over. But we found a free day, so today we're going to work on this. So we're going to first thing first clean this up, and we're going to MIG weld this back in. And then maybe mount the rad, mount the cooler. Them intercoolers are horrendous, by the way.
I know. Believe me, I know.
You just want to put the bumper back on, don't
I
you?
literally just want it all hidden.
I get you.
But it's, yeah, it is.
Right, we'll buzz this up where you've drilled the holes out. We'll buzz up the end of there so we can weld to that. Get the hot snot gun out and crack on. Look at that!
I've got a bit more front panel.
She ain't pretty, but she ain't falling off, is she? What next? What am I welding?
This? That bit.
Oh,
so
right, plating that in. Got it.
Just to strengthen it a bit, and then might offer it up.
See how it looks?
Just see how it looks.
Cool. Right.
Yeah.
Let's weld that. Right. We've just been cracking on with the van.
Oh, that's why it's not running very well.
No intercooler.
Intercooler's missing.
Exactly. And a mat. I should probably drive the truck forward a bit, to be fair. Because
Yeah.
That's, oh, it's still lifting.
it's lifting it, but the winch has hit the back of the van. I'll drive forward a bit.
I think it is lifting back loose up, isn't it?
Is it? The back's up. It's probably just...
Still resting on it. Unless
Yeah.
it's just where the springs are now coming.
I think the springs are coming up a bit. Let's try and shunt it forward, see what happens. Yeah. Have we missed a bolt? We missed a bolt.
It looks like it's still.
Are you
here.
I can get a lever bar in there and yank it up. Maybe it's just wedged in there where it's been in there for like day one. There's no bolts up the back, is there? No. Let's get a torch. We'll have a look. Fuck you. I'm laying under here. There's one more bolt in there. That's why the bed won't come up. Right, I'm coming out. Let me out. Go on, a bit more. Bit more. Bit more. That'll do. Whoa, back of the bed. That's all right.
Should we lay down and put a couple of blocks on the front?
Or under the back, you mean? Yeah, it could.
I was going to say, so the front lifts.
Have we missed something up here? That's not bolted. It's all right. I'm thinking if we put the blocks under the back, then when we take the ramp up, it'll lift the back up first.
Yeah, true.
Go on, lay it down. Woo! Yeah, one of them. Yeah.
Another one?
Yeah, for the other side. Sure, I had 2 of those. Ah, there it is on the ramp. Try that. Go on.
Go on, Dad.
Yeah, that's off. That'll do. It's hit the back of the bed again. If I drive forward a bit,
Oh, is that fucking the lock?
that yeah. If I go forward, hey. Oh dear, what now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think I can unplug that. You ready?
1 sec.
I'm waiting.
Now it should go.
Yeah? More? That's as high as I can go without it ripping off. That's off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shall I drive forward now?
Not with me under it.
Well, do you want to get out? Well, that was funny. Do what? Guns under there.
Yeah.
Right, let's try again. Oh. You ready? Yeah, take the ramp up a bit. Woohoo! Oh, I crashed. Right, let's get this one out. It does need a jet wash. It's not as bad as I remember. Quite clean, my old truck, isn't it? Oh, look at that. No rot yet. Send it for paint.
I like they say
Yeah, for an old tranny. Yeah, I need to reboot that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to swap them airbags. That's gonna be a bit of a session, it.
I don't know if you want to swap.
Kinda have to though, that's the problem. Not bad. About there, I reckon.
It needs to go back a bit further, but
Yeah, I've got a handbrake on so you can roll it, but
yeah. Sweet. Not bad.
not bad. Yes, do definitely need to pump the tyres up. Well, I'm going to say that is officially a recovery truck. Again.
I know what you're thinking. It looks like the other one.
Yeah, but it's not. Looks alright. Yeah, pump the tyres up. Jobs, get all the crap off the back, put the ramps back on. I think we are done. Put your Fiesta back on the back, take it home. That would be that, wouldn't it?
Jobs are good.
Oh, did you gun all the bolts up under here? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks shiny. It's quite a solid little chassis, that, isn't it? Yeah. We cable tied all the wiring loom up. Just plugs in, nice and easy. Check the winch works, but the remotes are in the other cab. Should do. It's only live on Earth. Cool. Let's crack on. Huh? Back a bit, forward a bit. Oh yeah. I reckon, Jamie, that is about it for today.
I think that's a day date, isn't it?
That is a day date. That little transit's looking sorry for itself, isn't it? I think I'm going to call it a day. I'm sorry it was really boring, but I just needed some footage to edit. Bye.